Hey Tim, my name is Dennis, and I'm with a company called CFO on the Go, and we're a Sage 100 contractor reseller. I got information that you're looking for software for your company in Baton Rouge. So, I always think a picture's worth 1,000 words. So instead of sending a bunch of PDFs, I recorded this video for you. But let me just walk you through. I think two of the things you want to do is one is you want to be able to track your clients, and so I'm actually in the clients and service screen right now, and so what that includes is my client's information, and we're going to get into doing a dispatch, an actual work order, show you how easy that is to do, and then there's some reports across the bottom. So if I just go in here and pull this over a little bit, there's a lot of tabs here. So what the client's name is, if you have a short name for him, is he a COD? Is he a prospect, so you're just marketing to him, or is he a current customer? And then you can have different types. You can have residential. These are customizable if you need to. So yours could be residential, commercial, whatever you want to do there. A bunch of names and addresses, contact names down below, payment terms in here. If you have different addresses, like a shipping address and a billing address. If you want to keep their credit card on file, you can do that. And then this screen's got a lot of information on it. And you'll see, when do we get this lead? When do we call them back last? Who's the contact? And then you'll see a lot of these user-defined. So user-defined 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Difference there. Who the salesperson is. What product are they interested in? I think you also want to track the source of that lead, whether it was a referral, and you can do that. If you want to put a size, what mailing list that they're on, so you can pull lists by mailing list, and a couple of checkboxes. So a lot of places you can change this and keep extra information. In addition to that, there's a big notepad up here if you want to keep customer notes. There's a paper clip here if you want to scan documents in and attach it. If you want pictures of the actual house, if you want pictures of what you did, whatever you want, you can attach there, or emails. A lot of information tracking the clients. But where we're really going to add some power here, I think, for you is we have this dispatch board, and we'll just go in and do a work order here. So I just clicked work order. Let's assume the dispatcher's sitting there, or your salesperson's sitting there. It puts in the next work order number automatically. I come up in here and I'll pick my client. I could type in the first couple of letters. I can come down here and type in their phone number and search off the phone number. But I have a favorite client that I use. It's the only one I know, actually. So 1, and so it comes up and it says, reminds me right here that this person has an outstanding balance, and it's also all past due. So I have a warning before I even go out there and do that. And then we'll just seal fabric. Is why we're going out there, and I'm just going to put a job. We're not going to leave that blank, actually. And this, I can either start out as a quote, so I can do a quote, email the quote to them, fax the quote, mail it to them, and then once they say that it's a go, I change that to a work order. And again, if you see a little arrow over here, that means you can change it. And so I can have different types of work orders. One, could be rework. One could be a new call, whatever. Those are customizable to you, but what you can be able to do is you're going to be able to get financial reports out on which of those types of work orders make you the most money. So I'm just going to do a service call. In this case, it could be a commercial client that has multiple locations. I have all of their locations listed here. I can pick the location I want to go to. Let's see. They have map locations, cross streets, service areas. So if you want, you can have, I think it's 20 different service areas. It could be north, east, west, south of your office. And I'll show you why that works in a little bit. I would pick who I want to send out there. We'll send, where's Carlos here? We'll send Carlos on this. Priorities just normal. We'll schedule it for today. Let's start it at 11 o'clock. It's going to take 2 hours, so he'll be done at 1. And it's going to take him 30 minutes to get there from wherever he is. And we'll say, get out of there. I'm going to save that real quick. And now if I go up and look at my dispatch board, you'll see there's Carlos, and there's where I have him scheduled. And so, and there's a lot of information on this work order, so I can see where he's going to go and what he's going to do. If I right-click this, I can go down and look at the properties for that work order. I can go back to the work order, or I can actually email that to the guy in the field. So if he's got a smartphone, he'll get an email showing him what he needs to see. Now, the nice part about our dispatch board is Carlos can't get there today, so I'm just going to drag it over to tomorrow. Carlos is out tomorrow. I'm going to drag it over to Frank. I can start dragging and dropping these. And the other nice part is, obviously, this is demo. I don't have real data here, but if the phone were to ring right now and a customer calls in and says, "Hey, can somebody come out on Monday at 7 o'clock?" I can look right here and see who has Monday at 7 o'clock open. I can come in here and highlight this and come down here and say assign to a new work order. It will now create a brand new work order for Frank, and I will fill out the information. But I can look at that dispatch board really quickly to see what's going on. This is travel time, that's why it's green. These colors, backgrounds can be colored for each different type. I'm not exactly sure what else you would do, but you could color these to different types of projects that you do. These two colors here, the yellow just means it's a prompt call. If it was an emergency, it would be red. And this is where this green here is the area that he's going to. So another visual which is really helpful is that if this is green and this is, let's just say, the north side of town, and he has a blue one which is south of town, a green one, a blue one, and a green one, we need to work those around so he stays in one part of town, especially at 4 something a gallon. You can move these around to kind of coordinate the work so that the flow of traffic is the least amount of miles on your car. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I mean, those are the two things I saw that were important to you. It comes with everything to replace QuickBooks, accounts receivable, accounts payable, payroll. I don't think you need any of this. Project management, where we do change orders or may use it to write purchase orders to buy materials. Estimating you won't use. The service receivables obviously is important for doing that. And if you buy the service, it comes with a full inventory module so that you can track your inventory in your warehouse or on your trucks. So that was enough, Tim. I just wanted to give you an introduction. It is available, what they call a subscription. And so it's a monthly fee for the software. And then you have it on your machine. It's in your building. It's on your machine. You just have to pay a monthly rental for it. Or you can buy it outright. And so it depends on how many users you will have on at the exact same time. It's based on concurrent usage. And so you could load it on 5 computers in your office. And if you own 2 licenses, that just means 2 can be in this menu at the same time. If you need 3 people on at the same time, then you'd have to buy 3 licenses. So if you can reply back to the email and tell me how many you need, then I can do a proposal for you both on a subscription and on an outright purchase. Hey, thanks for your interest, and let me know what you think. Thanks. My name is Dennis again at CFO on the Go, number 2 master builder or Sage 100 partner in the U.S. Our phone number is 800-659-5851. So 800-659-5851. Give us a call when you're ready. Thanks.